This is really a new way of financing developing economies, and it encourages this flow, right, of capital from the north to the south. The global north to the global south, I should say. Global north is long money, cash, and it's short carbon. The global south is long carbon, they have lots of carbon, and they're short cash. And so now you have the instruments, right? You have all the necessary preconditions to have an exchange, and not just a single exchange, but a series of scaled exchanges over time where billions, hundreds of billions, even trillions of dollars exchange hands over a multi-year period of time. That is the power of the capital markets, and that's all enabled by information. And that information is provided by Laconic. The foundation of any functioning market is trust. Without trust, you have nothing. You can't even begin to create a marketplace. And so at Laconic, we started out solving the trust problem. And in carbon, the trust problem boils down to data availability, data computability, your ability to validate someone's data, right? To not actually just take their word for it. And so really we're moving from a world where you have information about carbon stores in a PDF that's uploaded to a registry where the input data is not shown. There's no ability to verify or validate the work product. It just has a seal on it and a fancy logo. And so we have to move from this kind of high priesthood of data where everyone just says, I have a big brand name, you should trust me, but they're unwilling to share any of their work product. We have to move into a fully transparent market environment where every aspect of information that's required to create a carbon credit or a carbon instrument is stored in a digital chain of custody, right? And it's auditable and it's transparent to third parties. So we had to start there. We had to build that up.